This conference will now be recorded.
I hope you people are able to see my screen. So download this file, balance sheet, and open the sheet number 1, balance sheet 1. Type in 1 if you people have downloaded the file. Okay. So let's start solving this. So I'll show you how to do it. Then I'll give you the sufficient time. You can try. In the meantime, if you are having any doubt, you can ask. So last class we had done with the cash flow statement. I hope people have completed it. So now let's see how to solve with the balance sheet. So here in the balance sheet, along with some this one's some requirements, the changes you need to do. Okay, so the line items are already given. You have to just take in the values. So I'll take 35,000 other assets, then inventories, then account receivable, land, building, equipment. So I put all tables. I got the total. Account payable, loans payable. So total liability is this. Retained earnings, owner's equity. So this is the total. So now liability plus total equity. So both the things we should get the, so both the values should get tallied. So next one here, so I'm going to take the same values from above. So I'm going to take the same values first. So I put all equal. This side also I'm going to take the values, account payable, loans payable, retained earnings, owner's equity, and here I'm going to take it the total. So both the side it is same. Now here what they are telling is, so here there is some changes which has to be done. So here the first point what they are telling is a company needed ABC collects rupees 10,000 from its existing customer against the sales. Okay, so here whatever the receivables are there. So from this, I'm receiving the cash. So I'm receiving the cash from this. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, I'll just click here, and in the functional this one formula bar, I'm going to put plus 10,000. Okay, 10,000 I'm receiving. Enter. Now from the receivable, what they are telling, from already the existing customer. So from here I'll reduce 10,000. Okay, so from receivables I have reduced 10,000 and I am receiving the amount. So here both the things, the amount should get tallied. The same way, the second one, so I am going to take this values as it is from the above. So one by one you need to take. You cannot move the bulk values because the calculation has to be applied. So here 50,000, 1,25,000, 6 lakh, 1,20,000. I'll put alt equals, and here also I'll put alt equals. So here what they are telling, company ABC purchased new equipment for its factory worth rupees 30,000. So on credit. So on credit in the sense the equipment will be getting added. So equipment I'll make it as plus 30,000. Okay. So what it happens, they are telling it on credit. So how much I am supposed to pay? Here account payable, I'll make it plus 30,000. So here both the side the amount should get tallied. I wanted you people to try with these three. First add the line items, then whatever the required changes that is mentioned, you have to make the changes. So in the first one, account receivable will be minus 10,000, cash I will be receiving plus 10,000. And in the third one, I am buying the equipment. So equipment will get added with 30,000 where I'm going to pay it on credit. So I'll be paying it later. Account payable will get added with 30,000. I wanted you people to solve this three. Any doubts, please ask. Any doubts, please ask. In the first, this one you have to just put the line items and make the total. So on the liabilities and the asset side, the value should get tallied. Try solving the first and second. If any doubts, please ask. Any doubts?
If company is taking 10,000, so the cash should be minus, right? Subtracted.
So cash will be received. A company named ABC collects rupees 10,000 from its existing so we are this one, okay? From the existing customer we are taking. So receivable. So receivable from the amount what I supposed to receive, from there 10,000 will be subtracted and cash will be getting added. So it is nothing but
So
ABC is
this is
our company only. So I hope you people are done with first and second. So let me show you the third one. If still anybody is trying out, please tell. So the third one, I'm going to bring down the values. So in the third one, ABC made an expenses worth rupees 3,000 to pay the vendor bills. So from the cash, I have to reduce the 3,000 rupees. Okay, so I have to reduce 3,000 rupees from the cash which I am spending, minus 3,000. So to pay the vendor's bill means, so what I am supposed to pay, from there I need to reduce, minus 3,000. So here cash minus 3,000. So to pay the vendor bill. So whatever I am supposed to pay in that account payable, minus 3,000. The next one I am going to bring the values down. So here I am going to take the values as it is. So now ABC raised capital by issuing shares to public worth rupees 1 lakh. So what I need to do here, so what I am supposed to do here, so I am raising the capital. So raising the capital means retained earning will be plus 1 lakh. Then this side, the raise in the cash. So plus 1 lakh. So try this. So here retained earning will be added with 1 lakh, cash also will be increased with 1 lakh. Try solving this third and fourth. Done, guys? So let me show the next one. ABC purchased raw material of worth rupees 12,000 on credit and produce its goods and services. Okay, to produce its goods and services. So first I am going to take the values. So purchase the raw materials. So inventories. So inventories will get added with 12,000 plus 12,000, and here also account payable. So I have got it, but amount I am going to pay it later. So account payable plus 12,000. The last one, the equipment was purchased was worth rupees 10,000 by cash. So first I am going to bring this value down. So the equipment was purchased worth 10,000. So equipment is getting added with 10,000, and cash. So by cash, we are paying cash. So here minus 10,000. So plus 10,000 in the equipment, minus 10,000 in the cash.
Ma'am, can you explain the step once again?
Which one, ma'am? The last one, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
So first I brought down the values from the fifth, this one, okay. So then they are telling that the equipment was purchased was worth rupees 10,000 by cash. So equipment is getting added with 10,000 worth equipment again, okay. And I am paying it by cash. So here I will reduce minus 10,000. I am paying the cash. So equipment 10,000 is getting added, cash 10,000 is getting reduced.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Got it.
Done, guys? I'm so hungry. Done, guys? Okay, now coming for the balance sheet too. Okay, so I will show you. So here you have to just put in the line items. So you need to just put in the line items and solve this. So which has to come on the current assets, liabilities, owner's equity. Solve this. Then we will start with the case. ಇದು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮುಗಿಸಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಲೆವೆಲ್ 3 ಇಲ್ಲ ಲೆವೆಲ್ 2 ಮುಗ್ದಿತ್ತು. ಥರ್ಸ್ಡೇ ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೇ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ನಾನು ಥರ್ಸ್ಡೇ ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೇ ಎರಡು ದಿನನೂ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಇವತ್ತು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಕೋದು ಮುಗಿಸಿರೋದು. ನೀವು ಲೆವೆಲ್ 3 ಅಂತ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ 3 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ. Just you need to put the line items at its appropriate place. Perfect. ಅದು ಇದು ಶೀಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರನೇ ಇದಲ್ಲ. Guys, any doubts, please ask. Any doubts, please ask. Done, guys?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what's the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what's the answer?
Sorry?
What's the answer?
For
Total.
this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so first I'll just put the things. Net expenses, long-term assets, goodwill, developments. Long-term debts, accounts payable, long-term debts, deferred long-term debts, other liabilities, retained earnings, ownership. A second, guys. Hello? Hello? ಏನಾಯ್ತು? Everything is on. So it will be just add one line here equals plus sum of this values. So here it equals. So both the side the answer should be this. So this one is the total of liabilities. Okay. So here I have put like this. So I have taken the total of liabilities plus owner's equity. So both the side it will be 16,645 answer. Done? I hope everybody got the same answer. Okay. So let's move to the next one, balance sheet 3. First I'll solve and show so that you people can try it out later. First have a look how it is getting solved. Okay. So simultaneously don't do it. First understand how the line items are put, then you people can try. Okay. So here first is they are telling that rupees 1 lakh capital introduced in the business. So equity capital will be 1 lakh. 1 lakh. Computer purchased worth rupees 20,000. So 20,000 worth computer I have purchased. So here what is happening as I am buying the computer, so the amount is going out. Okay, so initially I had 1 lakh when I started the business. So 20,000, in that I am spending 20,000. Okay, advance rent paid rupees 10,000. Advance rent 10,000. So I am paying it. So this also will come in minus 10,000. So deposit 20,000 I am paying. So deposit will be 20,000. So this also money is spent 20,000. Then bought the books worth rupees 100 per book, paid after 30 days. So I am buying the inventory. So here I will tell equals 100 into 100. Okay, 10,000 worth inventory I have bought it. So later I'll be paying it after 30 days. So it will be account payable. So how much? 100 into 100 books. Okay. So then I'm selling the books, 50 books at the rate of 200. So sales will be equals, I sold 50 books at the rate of 200. COGS, cost of goods sold. So in order to buy this 50 books, I have spent 100 per book. So it will be equals 50 into 100. So profit will be equals sales minus profit. So retained profit will be equals 5,000. So account receivable. So this also I will be receiving it later. So it will be 50 into 200. So now inventory. So inventory, how I am going to apply the calculation. So I have bought 100 books, okay, at the rate of 100 per book, minus, so I have to calculate the COGS. I have sold 50 books for which I have spent 100 per book. Okay, so the remaining inventory is 5,000. So here I'll make alt equals sum of. So this amount will be coming as cash in the assets. So here I'll make it alt equals, and here it will be alt equals so this is how the solution is. I hope you people understood. You want me to explain once again means I'll explain you. If you have understood, you can try solving. Type in 1 if you people have understood. Or if you want me to explain once again, please tell, I'll explain.
Ma'am, can you explain the sales part?
Sales part. Sales, they are telling that I sold 50 books at the rate of 200 per book. Okay, that is the sales, 50 into 200. So I have bought 100 books at the cost of 100 per book. Okay, COGS is cost of goods sold. So what is the cost that is incurred in order to for the items that are sold. So 50 books I have sold. How much money I have spent in order to buy it? So 100 per book I have spent. So 5,000. Profit will be in 10,000 if I subtract 5,000. Remaining 5,000 is there, which will be my retained profit. So here both the sense, buying and selling, nowhere I am paying the cash or I am receiving. So account payable will be, so 100 books I have bought at the rate of 100 rupees, account payable. Receivable, 50 books I sold at the rate of 200, which is yet to be received. Clear, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma.
Ma'am, will you please explain this inventory part once again?
Inventory part. So inventory means what I have bought after the sales, what is remaining with me. That is the inventory. Okay. So here I am telling that first I bought the books, 100 books I bought at the rate of 100 rupees. Okay. Minus in that 100 books I have sold 50 books. So what is the cost that is incurred to buy those books? 100 rupees. So 50 books at the rate of 100 per book. So once I subtract this both, so this is the remaining inventory with me. So 50 books are still with me. Inventory means what? Whatever I have bought after once the sales, whatever is remaining, that will be my inventory. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Please answer your attendance. Sanshita, Sanshita,
Present, ma'am.
Anna,
Present, ma'am.
Varshita,
Present, ma'am.
Trisha,
Present, ma'am.
Sarah,
Present, ma'am.
Sahana,
Present, ma'am.
Gangotri, Gangotri, Sunaina, Sunaina, Shivani. Who is this?
Ma'am, Sunaina.
Sunaina, okay. Gangotri?
Sunaina is right.
Yeah, I've marked ma. Gangotri, Shivani, Lasya, Lasya, Dharika,
Present, ma'am.
Shreya, Shreya,
Present, ma'am.
Preeti.
Present, ma'am.
Preeti, last class you are present?
No, ma'am, I wasn't present last class.
Okay. Nidishri, 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 Agnes,
Present, ma'am.
Jarita,
Present, ma'am.
Ananya,
Present, ma'am.
Shreya,
Present, ma'am.
Sahitya.
Present, ma'am.
Yesterday, last class you were present, Sahitya.
No, ma'am.
Priyanka Kumari, Priyanka Kumari, Atira, Atira, Safia Fatima,
Present, ma'am.
Safia,
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Taruna,
Present, ma'am.
Saida Nimra,
Present, ma'am.
Sushmita,
Present.
Ria, Ria,
Present, ma'am.
Charlene,
Present, ma'am.
Charlene,
Present, ma'am.
Srushti, Srushti, Soumya,
Present, ma'am.
Sohini, Sohini, Aman,
Present, ma'am.
Sneha, Siksha,
Present, ma'am.
Shuchi,
Present, ma'am.
Shafin, Rakshita,
Present, ma'am.
Priyanka, Priyanka Santra. Guys, if you people have solved the first case, you have understood means try solving the next one. So here it is. Try solving this. Priyanka, Purvika,
Present, ma'am.
Harshita,
Present, ma'am.
Hemapriya, Hemapriya, Isha Bag.
Ma'am.
This is Isha.
Yes, ma'am. Isha.
Lassi, Abhirami,
Present, ma'am.
Abhirami, you were present for the last two classes?
No, ma'am, I wasn't present.
Okay. Arpita,
Present, ma'am.
Anjali,
Present, ma'am.
Alpana.
Present, ma'am.
Alpana, last class you were present?
Yes, ma'am.
Kirtana,
Present, ma'am.
Pooja,
Present, ma'am.
Dania,
Present, ma'am. Ma'am, I was
Nirma.
present in the last class.
Who? Dania, right?
Dania.
I
Yeah,
have
ma'am.
marked present. I have marked.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Nirma,
Present, ma'am.
Pariyal,
Present, ma'am.
try solving the next case study girls. Yes, ma.
Ma'am, will you have some details like how will the exam be conducted? Will it be online or something?
Yeah, it is online only, ma.
No, ma'am, if it's online, like how will it be conducted?
Google, multiple choice. We will be sharing the link, Google Forms. So in that you will be taking the exam.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
So that will be on the last day. So tomorrow you people are working 24th and 25th. It is holiday. Tomorrow, have they announced any holiday or something? Nothing as such.
Ma'am, we have Christmas holidays from 12th itself.
No, no, ma. 12th itself. So now tomorrow, have they announced that the classes will be conducted or how it is?
Ma'am, it will classes will be conducted from January to 2nd.
From no, no, not the academics. This online classes. Have they informed that the classes will be going on as per the schedule?
They've not specified anything as of now.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, I had to ask you,
Yeah.
can you give us an idea about how long will the course be for?
Till if tomorrow and day after tomorrow, if it is holiday means till 8th it will prolong. So if only on 25th we will be not working means like as per the holidays. Apart from Saturday, Sunday, I am talking about. If 25th we are having holiday means 7th we will be concluding. We will be having the exams and finish the classes on that day.
Okay, ma'am.
January
Thank you.
7th. Yeah.
Ma'am, do we have to solve problems like for exams?
Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yeah, yeah, I can hear you. Tell me, ma.
Actually, from that time, I was having a doubt about the previous balance sheet, ma'am, the first balance sheet.
Okay. What was the doubt?
Ma'am, that how is it retained earning, ma'am, for the fourth case?
This one, right? This one you are asking about?
No, ma'am.
This one, retained earning, this balance sheet 2 you are asking about.
Yes, ma'am.
So here they have just given the line items, everything, ma. We are not doing any calculation. We have to put the line items on the appropriate place. So retained earning they have already given. Retained earning 739. So retained earning comes under owner's equity. So along with owner's equity, so this calculation I have done it. So I have total the liabilities plus sum of retained earnings and owner's equity. Clear, ma?
Ma'am, was I audible for my attendance, ma'am?
What's your name, ma?
Arpita Sen, ma'am.
Arpita. I have marked present, ma.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, ma.
Ma'am, I was unmuting, but you couldn't hear. Athira present, ma'am.
One second, Atira. I just wanted to know whether you were present for Atira. So were you present like today's class present? So previous classes, 2 classes you were present, Atira?
Yes, ma'am, I was present.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
So I hope you people understood how this is done. And here balance sheet 3. So if this is done, you people can try solving this case 2 and case 3. If this is done, try solving case 2. Okay, guys, try solving this too. Okay, so tomorrow I'll explain this. I'll solve it and show. But before that, I wanted you people to try this case study 2 and 3. Okay. So, any doubts in today's class, whatever we have done till now?
No, ma'am.